In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this smartphone. Start by going into Tab menu. Now look for Lock Orientation icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled. If you wish to enable it, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well. Scroll down a bit, tap on display, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is great, that means that auto rotation is off. In order to turn it back on, just click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!